How can I temporarily deactivate my WhatsApp account without deleting it?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without having to delete it. This can be useful if you need a break from the app but don't want to lose all your data and chat history.
What does temporarily deactivate mean?
Temporarily deactivating your account means making your account inactive for a certain period. During this period, no one can send you messages or view your profile information. But remember, WhatsApp does not offer a feature to deactivate or disable your account temporarily like some other social platforms. So, we have to take a different approach.
How can I make my account inactive?
Here's how you can make your WhatsApp account inactive. Step 1. On your phone, remove the SIM card associated with your WhatsApp account. You may want to consult your phone's manual or seek assistance if you're unsure about this. Step 2. Use this SIM card on a different phone and install WhatsApp on that phone. Step 3. Verify your account with your phone number. The account on your old phone will be deactivated automatically. It's important to remember that this method does not delete your account, it just deactivates it on your old device. However, you will not receive any messages sent to you during the period your account is inactive.
What happens when I want to reactivate?
When you're ready to use your account again, Step 1. Replace the SIM card back into your original device. Step 2. Reinstall WhatsApp and verify your phone number. You will have access to all your previous chats and data that were backed up to your cloud account. And that's how you can temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting it. Remember, the process does involve moving your SIM card, so if you're uncomfortable with this, you might want to consider simply muting your notifications or deleting the app temporarily. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.